Hello guys. I can't say welcome back in my shed. I'm in the living room. I want to show you my editing spot. Wait a minute first, the glasses off. For many years now I'm sitting in this tiny corner of the living room editing all my YouTube videos, and my system is a really old system. Yeah, I built it myself years and years ago, and guys, my wait a minute. What's it now here? There he goes. See? It hangs all the time. I still running Windows 7. Yeah. And my processor, CPU, is an Intel, the i7 2600. But I overclocked it to 3.4 gigahertz. So, and now, constantly when I'm editing with Premiere Pro, it hangs and it stops, and I was thinking by myself, old mechanic, it's time to scale up. So, my plan is, I'm gonna build myself a new computer with far more upgrades. I have a very simple video card in here, so rendering one video of, let's say, 20 minutes, it takes 3 hours for my PC to be busy rendering the stuff, making all the raw files into one video that I can upload to YouTube for you. So my plan, what's the plan? The plan is that I'm gonna build a new system. That tower is huge and it's really old. It buzzes all the time. It resonates somewhere. And now I'm gonna upscale. What I'm gonna build is a system that's far more capable of running a program, an editing program like Adobe Premiere Pro. That's what I use, and that's what I can handle. But I need a stronger CPU, a far more better video card, a new power supply, new motherboard, new case. Well, you name it. It's so, guys. What I'm asking you, if you have $1 left, please donate it to me. I'm going to use it well. I'm going to spend it well to build myself a new computer. So maybe you can hit the thanks button. I really would appreciate it if you just donate $1. If I get $1 from everyone, all of my subscribers, oh, it's way too much. If everyone spends $0.50 or €0.50, that's also overkill. Oh, now that's the plan. I'm gonna make a playlist and I call it New Computer. in that playlist I'm gonna upload every now and then a video, what I'm doing and how the project is going. So guys, and now I'm gonna go back in my shed. I got work to do, old mechanic. So see you the next time, old mechanic.